Hello everyone. In this video, we'll learn about what is a trade, types of trade, what is a home trade, what is a foreign trade, and the differences. And now we come to what is a trade. The trade involves buying and selling of goods and services, and it is also called as exchange of goods and services between one person or an entity. Trade is considered as a central activity in the economy of every country because it is so important for the economy to run. And there are two types of trade there exist, and one is home trade and one is foreign trade. And in the home trade we have retail trade and wholesale trade, and in the foreign trade we have import and export of goods and services. Now we come to the home trade. Home trade is the trade which happens between the boundaries of the country. That is, the seller and the buyer, both of them are from the same country. And home trade is also called as a domestic trade. Now we see what is a foreign trade. Foreign trade is the trade that takes place between two or more countries. And that means seller and the buyer are from different countries. For example, one is from China and one is from the India. Foreign trade is also called as an international trade. And now we see the differences that exist between these two types of trade, home trade and the foreign trade. And we come to the first point of the differences, exchange of currency. In the exchange of currency, for the home trade, there is no exchange of currency takes place because the currency is of only one currency. And in the foreign trade, there involves an exchange of currencies between two countries. For example, US dollar and the rupee. Now we will see the restrictions between home trade and the foreign trade. Home trade usually doesn't have any restrictions as the movement of goods is inside the country, but the foreign trade is subjected to many restrictions on transfer of certain goods to certain countries. Now, transport costs and risks. Home trade generally has lesser transportation costs and risks to transfer the goods between one place to other. But in the foreign trade involves very high transportation costs and risk to transfer goods from one country to another is also very high. Now, transportation systems. Usually, home trade depends upon the network of internal transportation systems like roads, railways, lorries, etc. But in the foreign trade depends upon the seaways and airways between the two countries that are involved in the trade. Now we'll see what are the benefits to the country from home trade and the foreign trade. It is a very important point to note, and make sure you write this in exam. Benefit to country. Home trade leads to economic development and self-sufficiency of the country, but foreign trade leads to economic interdependence between the countries. That means one country depends on the other country for the goods to transfer. Now we'll see the approvals and documentations needed. The home trade involves fewer documentations and approvals from the government to transfer of the goods. But foreign trade involves more documentations and approvals from the government, and it is a very long and big process. Now we'll see volume of trade. Volume of the home trade depends on the population of the country and the demand for the product, etc. But foreign trade has many restrictions imposed on free entry of goods and duties and taxes has to be paid to carry on the trade. And the time gap. Home trade usually has less time gap between the goods dispatched and the goods received and the payment received because it is within the country. But foreign trade involves wide time gap between the goods dispatched from the home country and the goods received by the other country because it involves two countries. Now we'll see credit problems. In the case of home trade, there are fewer credit problems between the sellers and the buyers of the country. But in the foreign trade, involves special steps to find out the credit worthiness of the importer by the exporter of the goods from one country to other. Now, trading of goods. Home trade involves the trade of goods and services which are available in the country. But foreign trade facilitates countries to export the goods which they have in surplus and import goods which are short in supply in their country. Now we'll learn about flow of currency. Home trade helps in the flow of currency from one place to another place in the country internally. But foreign trade helps in the exchange of currencies between two countries and helps increase the foreign exchange reserves of a certain country. Now we'll see what are the advantages to people. Home trade helps in increasing the employment and income generation within the country. Foreign trade helps in bringing the international division of labor and specialization to this country from another country. Now insurance. The goods of home trade doesn't carry a compulsion to have the insurance of goods for the goods in transport, but in case of foreign trade, the goods which are sent to other countries by the foreign need to be insured compulsorily to mitigate the risks for the exporters. This is a famous quote given by Robert Gilpin. Trade is the oldest and the most important economic nexus among nations. Indeed, trade along with war had been central to the evolution of the international relations. If possible, also add this quote in your project work or exam, whichever you are referring this video for. Thanks for watching, guys. Please subscribe different topics for all your different needs. Thank you.